Hi, Miss 6383. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Lorna Calagos, 45 years old. I'm a single parent and I have one child and I'm high school grad.
You are high school undergraduate. Okay,
Yes,
tell me about your experience as a helper.
uh, I carrying the baby from 11, 11 years old only, and also I have 13 and 16.
Okay. How many
Yes,
members of the family?
5.
Five members,
Yes.
including the couple.
Oh,
Okay, and other household chores that you do?
mhm.
Other household chores that you do?
Yeah. uh, Washing and iron the clothes, um, cleaning, washing, washing this and
Okay, so you are the one who do all the household chores, washing
yes,
dishes, ironing, cooking, and also take good care of the children, which is 11, 13, and 16 years old, right?
yes,
Okay, you have experience in Saudi for almost 2 years, and I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby.
yeah, yes,
My question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby?
yes,
Okay, do you have an idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn?
yes,
Because you have a daughter, right?
yes,
And you are the one who took care of your daughter.
yes,
So you know how to prepare a meal.
yes.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
Sorry, sorry. I Oh my god. I check the temper, and then the tummy if maybe she's hungry. So and also the diaper. I
Uh,
check first
okay,
and
so after you did all of your best, you check the temperature, you feed the baby, and also change his or her diaper, but won't stop to cry, what will you do?
I will call my employer
And what
to
will you
tell
tell? Okay,
what happened to the baby.
okay, you will tell what happened to the baby because
Yes.
maybe only the parents know what to do to the baby to make it stop to
Yes.
cry, right? Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to give a great future for my daughter. Okay, because I'm a breadwinner. That's it.
So you are the breadwinner of your family, so you want to save
Yes.
money for your daughter's future.
Yes. Yes.
Also save for yourself,
Yes.
right? Okay. How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Until my finish my contract, even if my employer, if whatever what we want.
So it's up to your employer if they
Yes.
want you to extend your contract. So it is okay to you to be
Yes.
extended. Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
Actually, I don't have, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
And book menu, and I watch YouTube.
Okay. And you could also ask your employer if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is okay to you to eat the food that the employer provides.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes.
How about sharing jobs with a helper?
Yes.
Sharing room with kids.
Yes.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup.
Yes.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes.
Taking care of elderly.
Yes.
It is okay to you to learn their language if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
Yes.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, hi, I hope to choose me because I'm willing to learn what your policy in your house, and then I'm so, honest, and I will do my best for work.
Okay,
And
okay. And also, can you promise to take good care of their family and their children as your own?
yes,
And also follow the rules and regulations.
yes,
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Lorna. Thank you.
thank you.
Okay.